Cell division is a fundamental process that occurs in all living organisms, by which a single cell divides into two or more daughter cells. It is essential for growth, development, and repair of tissues in multicellular organisms, as well as for the reproduction of single-celled organisms. Cell division is a complex process that involves several stages, each of which is regulated by a series of checkpoints to ensure the integrity of the genetic material and the fidelity of the cell cycle. There are two main types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is the process of cell division that occurs in somatic cells, which are non-reproductive cells of the body, and results in the formation of two identical daughter cells. Meiosis, on the other hand, is the process of cell division that occurs in reproductive cells, such as sperm and eggs, and results in the formation of four genetically diverse daughter cells. The process of mitosis can be divided into four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prophase, the chromatin, which is the uncoiled form of DNA, condenses into visible chromosomes and the nuclear membrane breaks down. In metaphase, the chromosomes align at the equator of the cell, known as the metaphase plate, and the spindle fibers attach to the centromeres of the chromosomes. In anaphase, the spindle fibers shorten, pulling the sister chromatids apart towards opposite poles of the cell. Finally, in telophase, the nuclear membrane reforms around the two sets of chromosomes, which then decondense back into chromatin. The cytoplasm then divides through a process called cytokinesis, resulting in the formation of two identical daughter cells. Meiosis is a more complex process that involves two rounds of cell division, resulting in the formation of four haploid daughter cells, each with half the number of chromosomes as the parent cell. Meiosis I involves the separation of homologous chromosomes, while meiosis II involves the separation of sister chromatids. This results in the formation of genetically diverse daughter cells, which is important for sexual reproduction, and the formation of genetic diversity in populations. The regulation of cell division is a complex process that involves several checkpoints throughout the cell cycle. These checkpoints ensure that the cell has replicated its DNA correctly, that the chromosomes are properly aligned, and that the cell has sufficient resources to complete the division process. If these checkpoints are not passed, the cell cycle is arrested, and the cell may undergo apoptosis, or programmed cell death. Basically, cell division is a fundamental process that is essential for growth, development, and reproduction in living organisms. The processes of mitosis and meiosis are complex and tightly regulated and involve several stages and checkpoints to ensure the integrity of the genetic material and the fidelity of the cell cycle.